In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix SOS only on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the SOS or no service icon on your status bar usually means your iPhone is struggling to connect to your carrier's network, though it can still make emergency calls. So what you want to firstly do is swipe down on the top right, and it's going to bring up your control panel, and then just tap on airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and then tap it again. And that's going to give it like a sort of handshake refresh. If that fails, what we want to do is go over to settings, then go over to cellular or mobile service. And then once you're here, go ahead and toggle off mobile data and then turn it back on again. And then carriers also release small software patches to fix connection bugs. These don't always trigger an iOS update. So what you want to do is go over to settings, then scroll down and go to general, then go ahead and click on about. Once you click on about, wait on the screen for about 30 seconds. If an update is available, a pop-up is going to appear saying carrier settings update, and then just tap update. And now the most effective way is to reset your network settings. So what you want to do is when you're on the general screen, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Then go to reset at the very top and then reset your network settings. And then that should definitely help as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.